Hi guys, if you want to see how I created this super glam liner look, please keep on watching. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is apply lenses. Are you crying? No. So mostly what I do for brows is to shape them with a really tiny brush. This is really fucking tiny, as you can see. Then you can just mix together until you get the color that you want. Alright, let's go. Let's trace those brows. Alright, so the eyebrows finally done, and the next thing I will do is just apply a little bit of concealer on the edges and make sure that everything looks really neat. So all this is to give the impression that my eyebrows have just been done when they're really not. See, already it looks super clean, but it's really not. So usually I finish the eye look first and then do my base, so I don't have to touch my face and ruin everything while I'm doing my eyes. Alright, so I'm gonna try and do this quick. The look that I wanted to do is a smoked liner, and basically you want to go into the lash line, like you need to really coat the lash line, nicely coated. Woo! And now you can start shaping, and don't worry about it. It's okay if it's not like perfect just yet. Don't worry, just give me the time to finish this and it will look like something. Yes, starting to look like something. So guys, the key is really to smudge it. You can raise your eyebrow if you need space. Okay guys, don't worry, now I'm gonna sort this out with eyeshadow, brown and black mixed. Alright, so once everything is shaped, I guess it will pretty much look like this. So after this I can finally do my concealer, and before that I'm gonna make sure there's no fallout. For concealer I'm using these from Shiseido. One shade that is slightly lighter than my color, I'm gonna use it in the inner corner. And another shade that is very close to the color of my skin. So I'll start with this one and I'll just put it here in the inner corner. I don't want the lighter shade to be too cakey under the eye, so I'm going to start blending it immediately. To be honest, you can even apply way less than I just did. Oops. It's already a lot of concealer, but I'm going for a full coverage look, so I guess it's fine. And then make sure to follow this line. Same on this side. Then I just take this cavity brush and I'm gonna buff the excess. For foundation, let's go real bougie. Up here from the center of the face, always. The center of the face is always where I keep the most coverage. Okay, so you see, this is really why you absolutely need false lashes for this type of look. Seriously, like when you want to make your eyes a statement, false lashes makes a big difference. So good! And that's why for red carpet looks, we always use false lashes, like literally all the time. Alright, now for this, now that I've been doing something heavier than I usually do on the eyes, I was thinking to keep something quite simple for the lips. Literally what I'm doing is just mixing a bunch of brown and nude lip liner, and that's it.